What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fred coming at y'all today, with another video. But today's gonna be something a little different. We're not working on none of my cars. It's not even a Japanese car. Oh yeah, working on some America. So we're working on, y'all. If you haven't already told by the title of the video, we're gonna be changing out the rear end cover and the gasket on my friend's C10 pickup truck. I don't know the exact year of this truck, but I'll get y'all more information once he comes out. This is what we're gonna be changing along with the gasket. This is the new gasket. This is the new cover. And when you go to replacing this item right here, you have, I wanna say 12 bolts on here. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, 12 bolts. You got 12 bolts in total. They're all 13 millimeters. They're not that hard to take out. If I was you, I would take them all out and leave one in the top. That way, if you are down here, you don't get oil all over. You still got one bolt holding it in. But right now, what we're about to do is we're about to take out this last bolt and pry this off. Because if you can't tell, this part is like very, very old. So it's probably done like cooked itself on there. So yeah, that's where we're at now. We gotta take out the last bolt and pry it off, and I'll come back at y'all with the next steps. All right, y'all. I'm going to give y'all some more wise words from Fred today. Being that I'm 25 now, I consider myself an OG. So if you're younger than me, matter of fact, even if you're older than me, this could be applied to anybody. Don't rush your time. Your time is coming. You may be broke right now, you may be homeless watching this video. You may be going through a lot of stuff. You may not even have a car and you're watching this video. But I just want you to know, you're gonna get there. No lie. You don't gotta hate on the next man for what he got, wanna rob him, none of that. If anything, ask that man how did he obtain the things that he has. Try and learn something from him, But yeah, that's my advice for y'all today. Just don't rush your time. Cause everybody has that day, and your time is coming. And it's probably gonna be sooner than you expecting it, to be honest with you. So as you can see, we got the old cover off. Don't mind the oil on the ground, we got some to clean this up. If you don't got nothing to clean it up with, make sure you got some down there to catch it with. But
oil pan or something.
Yeah. Also, y'all, as you see, make sure if you got anything right there caked up, you go ahead and get that off before you put the new one on. We'll be back in a second. So just to keep y'all updated, right now we got the new one on. Just gotta finish putting all the bolts in, and then we gotta fill it up with fluid. But for now, finish that, and I'm gonna show y'all where you can find the drain plug at on here and show you how to fill it up. Alright guys, so when you change out everything, you can come around to the front part of it. You got a drain plug that sits right here. You're gonna take that out. The drain plug, as you can see, it fits right on to the end of an extension. So we've already filled ours. So put it back in, button everything back up. I want to thank all y'all for the love, and we'll see y'all in the next video.